Hey guys, Mike McKay back with another video. I know I've been inactive for a while, but I've actually been waiting to make this video, because this was by request of my homie Legacy Black, because he said that he was sending a care package to me, and well, here it is. And I do apologize if I look like I'm sweating. It's because I slightly am, because I just got done going around Lake Toho with my dad on our boat. Now, for the record, I don't know what this is, because he wanted it to be a surprise for me, obviously. He wanted me to have a blind reaction when I open this on camera, so... Now for me talking, let's just get to it, because I want to see what this is. I do like the wrapping it shows Legacy, because, well, you know how I love America. Alright, so let's take a look. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Whoa. Hey now. Ooh, looks like a hoodie. Oh my god, no way. No way. Look at this, guys. Oh, wow. Guess he's made some merch. Look at this. It's the official Legacy Black Skull hoodie. But that's not all. You flip it around. Look at the back. Wow. This is amazing. Legacy, nice job on this, man. I love it. Wow. This is incredible. I'm really impressed. I'm gonna wear this with pride, man. Oh yeah, that was all that was in there. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And he's actually been talking about making this stuff, and he wanted me to have the very first one. And well, here it is. But that's gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Smash the subscribe button. If you did like the video, smack that like button, and if you want to stay up to date, subscribe and ring the bell if you see it. But until next time, keep our pride raging, and keep my homies' legacy going. But before I go, I really want to thank all of my subscribers for subscribing, and I do appreciate those of you who have been patient with me and been on this wild ride with me, because I recently hit 491 subs. We are 10 away from 500 subs. I really hope to get there, and I really want to get Legacy subscriber count up a little bit more. So if you're going to subscribe to me, go subscribe to him, because, well, he's one of the nicest dudes. So until next time, keep his legacy going, keep his pride raging, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!